Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe for parsley potatoes. So if you'd like to see how to make this amazing side dish, keep watching. Okay guys, to start this recipe I have my potatoes already peeled, cut up, and in some cold water, or not cold as in ice cold, but tap water. To that I'm going to salt the potatoes and I'm going to put it up to a boil on a medium heat. We want the potatoes to boil until they're tender, but you still want to maintain the shape of the potatoes. Don't allow them to get too mushy, so just boil them until they're fork tender. Okay guys, now it's time to cook the potatoes. So to my skillet I'm going to go in with some butter or margarine, whatever you have on hand, use that. Allow that to melt. Okay, now you're going to go in with some chopped onions. To the onions I'm going to go in with some pimento pepper. This is just going to add some more flavor. And I'm going to go in with some minced garlic. I like my parsley potatoes really tasty, really flavorful. Some folks just put parsley alone with some butter, but I really want this to be a nice tasty parsley potato. So we're gonna saute this until the garlic and the onion is tender. Make sure your heat is on and low, you don't want to burn the garlic. Okay, so to your sauteed aromatics, go in with your cooked potatoes, and you see how the potatoes are, guys. It's not very soft. Now to that I'm going to add some goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. You can add salt and pepper alone if you want. This goya adobo seasoning, it's an all-purpose seasoning, and you can use any all-purpose seasoning you have on hand, and that's just going to add some more flavor to the dish. And now we go in with tons of parsley. After all, it's parsley potatoes, right? So add in your parsley, and all you have to do now is toss to coat, and then once mixed properly, let it cook for like a few minutes, and then this would be ready. And that's as simple as it is to make this parsley potato, guys. How good does that look? So guys, here you have it, my recipe for parsley potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below, I want to hear from you. What do you think? Are you enjoying all of my recipes? Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, you can always email me at natashaskitchen19@gmail.com. Thank you all so much again. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.